Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the Morph operation. First of all, create a drawing for apply our operation. So I have a drawing. You will see the dimension is 20 radius and 30 radius. So in MasterCAM, wireframe and circle. Radius is 20 and lock your dimension. But you will see the view is top. So I will close this view and alter 5 for set a right side view. So again circle 20 radius and OK and create new. Next radius is 30. OK. So now alter 7 and extrude this object. So solid, extrude, select both circle, OK, and the height is 50. OK. Now you will see in the drawing, this portion value is 8. This line value is also 8. This line 5 into 240 angle and this radius also 5. So now in MasterCAM, again right side view, in wireframe line and the length value is 8. So now create a line again, OK and create new. Now my value is 4. OK and create new. Now the length is 5 and the angle is 240. OK and create new. Next, unlock this dimension and give a straight line. OK. Now trim this extra line. So click on trim, divide and delete method and trim this line. OK. Now apply fillet by this corner. The radius is 5. So select this line and this line. OK. Now mirror this section. So in transform and mirror, select your object. Click on end selection. In vector, click on arrow and select your mirror line. OK. Now delete this line. Now in wireframe and create again circle 30 radius. OK. Now trim this extra section. OK. Again alter 7. So you will see in drawing our this section is ready. Now create a helix. So click on helix. The radius value is 30. The height is minus 50 revolution and the pitch value is minus 500. Now I will click this point. So you will see the helix is create this section. So click on right side view. So you will see and OK. Select this section. In transform, translate, by vector reselect point. Select this point to this point and OK. Now again select this section, translate, by reselect point, this point to this point. Move your object and OK. Now select this section and rotate. So first of all, reselect center point. This one in right side. So now click on this and give your angle 36 and OK. Alter 7 isometric view. So now in solid and sweep this section. So first of all click on sweep. Select your section. OK. Now select your path. So you will see, but our last section is connected, so we will select the end profile. So click on end profile chain, add. Now select this section and OK. So OK. So you will see our section is ready. So now click on circular pattern, select your main part, select your pattern part, OK. And now in right side view. So our object is 10 by 00 center point full circle. OK. So you will see our object is created. So now in wireframe, curve one edge, select this one edge, OK, and create new. Click on next edge. OK. I will change my view. So you will see these two curves are here. Now click on this, select this one curve, select second curve, in home and hide. So first click on machine, mill and default toolpath. Now we will select move operation in multi-axis. So click on this, move. Now select your toolpath type, move tool. So click on filter, select your tool, OK. Now select library tool. Select your tool as per your requirement. I will select the 3-dia tool, OK. In cut pattern, select your curve, click on this arrow, select first curve, select second curve, OK. Now the pattern selection. So again click on this arrow and select this one, OK. Drive surface, click on this arrow and select all faces of this slot. So one by one select all face. And click on end selection. So now click on rounds and corners. The step over value is 0.5. So now click on tool axis control, select 4 axis, surface. Now in 4 axis, select your direction, like our direction is x axis, point tool to rotary axis. In linking, small gaps by direct and the large gaps retract to clearance area. Now the height value is 50, increment height value also 50. Now rapid distance 5, entry feed distance 2, your exit feed distance 2 and air move safety distance 6. Now OK. So you will see. Now you will change your step over value as per your requirement. So click on parameter. In cut pattern, change your step over value like 0.05. OK, and regenerate your operation. So you will see. Now select your operation, toolpath transform. Now rotate, NCI in rotate. So our object is 10 and the total angle is 360. And rotation plane is right side. OK. So you will see our all toolpath is generated. So now we will check in verify selected operation, but first we will apply stock. So I will click on wireframe, circle, unlock my dimension. In right side view. So select first circle, OK, and create new. Select second circle. The value is 20 and OK. Now in solid, extrude, select two circle, OK and OK. So now our stock is ready. So stock setup, click on solid, select your solid object and OK. So now click on verify selected operation. I will hide my wireframe object. Speed is changed and play this operation. I will hide axis also. So we will see our object is ready. Now I will close this view. Alt 7. So after operation our object is look like this one. You will see. So I will close this view. This is a Morph operation. In next lecture we will discuss the played expert operation. Thank you friends.